Please don't leave me down. To where the blood runs slow, there's no way to go. With no pride below, it's the mind to soul. Yet I read this wall. How to save my soul, playing that man's role long before the show. However, we are told by the series of all, just a price for sounds of lifeless throat. However, paper roll, blazing flames, rise, both all the plots written by all the perished souls. Misguided sense and frozen pouring rain, and I'm slowly approaching my head. Hatred is the fiddle that beats crown against us, path of blood and blood. She let me go. Tell my prayers straight, for once I have hope. Now his face away, there's no one safe. Let us lost their way. Let us to convey. This has only let the darkness stay. See my boat, the sun hides its low and sunk into sorrow. It's clicking through the ball, shedding pride. We ought to finally reborn. Regretting it's too late, such a way. They just stars that got shut the gates to heaven. Learn to stay, His place. Now tomorrow awaits, set me free.